القرى ولتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi ajma'in. Today inshallah we'll talk about the surah about Al-Qadr, Surah Al-Qadr, that has mentioned about the Laylatul Qadr. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that this is the night of Laylatul Qadr, which is better than Alf Shahr. That means more than 1,000 nights, more than 83 years of ibadah. Question is, what is the significance of this night? Why this night is so important? And what we should be doing, and why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this night to this ummah and not given to any other ummah before this. Mufassirin believe that this is the night in which first time the Quran was revealed in this night. Some of the Mufassirin believe that this is the night in which Quran was revealed to Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, means the first ayat that were revealed. And this is the opinion of some of the Mufassirin. And why it was revealed to Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the Khatam al-Nabi, Anbiya, wal Mursaleen, the seal of our prophethoods, and this is the last ummah. This is the last revelation. This is the last revelation from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Quran, last prophet from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and last ummah. And this is the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon this ummah, among many other blessings, giving the last prophet, giving the and giving the final Quran, not just last Quran, final message, complete final message. There's no more change that we needed at all till the end of the world. This is given to this ummah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala given also this Laylatul Qadr, one night equivalent to, better than actually, not equivalent, better than 83 years of ibadah. What does that mean to us? This is the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What does it mean to us? Is when you look at this and look at the previous ummah who has gone astray, it means more shukr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And at the same time, be more patient. Why patient? Because as you see, all the nations are gathered together, they will gather together against one ummah, against Islam. Because this is the only ummah that is on the haqq, everyone else is on batil. They have changed the books or whatever they done, and they gone astray. After Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam coming to this world, there is only one accepted way, that is Islam, and the way Rasulullah has taught it. Of course, Islam is not started from Rasulullah. Islam started from Adam alayhi salam himself, but it was completed. When it is completed, that completed deen, Islam was keep on evolving with each prophet. Sharia was keep evolving, not Islam, but the Sharia was evolving. Sharia was changing with the Prophet, but the last Sharia is the last Sharia of Rasulullah, is the Sharia on which everyone has supposed to be. Otherwise, cannot enter paradise. That we all believe that. So what does that mean to us as believers is to be patient in the times when you will be tested against your deen or against your religion, because you are one ummah who are on the right, you will be tested. The tests are coming from many different ways, when all of the nations are going to unite against this ummah. And the biggest thing that you can have in this world is the iman. The iman that we have is the biggest treasure we have it, and if we maintain, if we be on it, we hold on it, and inshallah we go into the straight path to Jannah, then you you have gotten a lot better than what the whole entire world can be given to you. Imagine someone who has the entire world in his hand, someone, let's say, control the entire world with cryptocurrency or whatever currency, and control everyone's transactions. But if that person goes to hellfire and remains in the hellfire forever, this world and this crypto is not going to help and not going to take him out of the hellfire. Someone who believes that they can control the world with any of the technologies, they can control the whole world. Crypto is one example, but there are many ways to control the world. But as superpower, being superpower in this world, is not going to get them out of Jahannam. The only acceptable deen inside of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Islam. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala more and understand the importance of being thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and especially Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us the Ramadan and the way to cleanse ourselves, giving to others, and then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives the gift of the Al-Qadr in last 10 nights to look at it, and not just 1 year, every year. Someone who born this time, someone who enter into Islam this year will have this Ramadan, and someone who doesn't live for longer than 1 year. So what about that? So every year there is Al-Qadr. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this ability. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to continue to be steadfast in this deen and love this deen more than anything else, and not to lose our feet in the times of test. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not to test us in a way that we cannot take it, and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be more thankful. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep us more thankful to Him, submit to Him completely, and not get distracted. Subhanakallah wa bihamdika nastaghfiruka.
والصديقين والشهداء